Hello, I'm James Murphy, National Trainer for LEVOLOR, and today I'm going to be talking about the LEVOLOR InMotion Motorization Program. LEVOLOR InMotion is motorization like no other. Control blinds and shades with the simple click of a remote, or add the hub to use the LEVOLOR app. With the app, you can easily schedule scenes to open or close shades by day of week, time of day, or even proximity to sunrise and sunset. You can even adjust them when you're away from home, or use voice activation for in-the-moment commands. So why do customers choose LEVOLOR InMotion? First, rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. They fully charge in 4 to 6 hours and provide 6 to 9 months of battery life. Also, the charging kit is included in the surcharge. This includes both magnetic and standard charging cables, with magnetic charging being exclusive to LEVOLOR. There's also no extra mounting depth required. It's the same mounting depth as a cordless shade. And it's a very simplified installation because it also mounts the same as a cordless blind or shade. And lastly, the LEVOLOR app. You could use the app to link to a compatible smart home system such as Samsung SmartThings, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or IFTTT. You could also use Siri for phone activation, and no smart home system is required. Let's talk more now about the hub and app. The hub syncs with Wi-Fi to enable app control. It's USB style with a plug that folds 90 degrees. It plugs into any 5V two-way power source, including behind your TV, and offers two-way communication that shows shade position and battery level status in the app. We recommend to have at least one hub per house or floor. Now let's talk about the app. First off, the app is easy and intuitive to set up. It has a bright, inviting, and personalizable display, and has an organized home screen to easily navigate between rooms, scenes, and routines. Speaking of rooms, you may wonder, well, what is a room? Well, it's exactly as it states. It's any room in your house, whether it be the living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, wherever you have your shades up and installed. Shades are grouped together in rooms, and all shades must be assigned to a room. This is important in order to execute more advanced smart home automation features like scenes and routines. You can operate all shades in a room together or individually. And you can also assign a preset icon or a custom image to each room. Now let's talk about scenes. Scenes are preset shade positions. With a single touch, position multiple shades exactly where you want them. With this, you can also assign a preset icon or add a custom image. An example of a scene would be the Good Morning scene. With the Good Morning scene, it'll open up all shades in a bedroom. Next, let's talk about routines. With routines, you can automatically activate shades to move based on day of the week, time of day, or even proximity to sunrise and sunset. Routines can be created for scenes or individual shades. An example would be activating the Good Morning scene every weekday morning, 15 minutes after sunrise. Next, let's talk about shade control. Controlling your motorized blind or shade is a breeze with our advanced app control configuration. Slide to position operation and open percentage reference allows for precise control, especially for sheer and banded shades. Consumers can also ensure multiple shades are the same percentage open or closed. Next, let's look at the controls for each blind and shade type, starting with banded and sheer. For banded and sheer, you can control the openness of the vanes as well as raising and lowering the shade. You also have easily accessible control buttons at the bottom and indicators for percentage open and closed. For cellular, natural, roller, and Roman, you have a slider to activate the bottom rail of the shade to raise and lower. You have easily accessible controls at the bottom and an openness percentage indicator for percentage open and closed. For forward and rearward blinds, you have an easy-to-use slider on the right-hand side to adjust the slats, easy-to-access controls along the bottom, as well as an indicator for degrees open. Next up, let's talk about cellular top-down, bottom-up, and day-night shade control. I am really excited about this one because not only do you have a slider to raise and lower the bottom rail and a slider to raise and lower the shade, but you also have a slider to raise and lower the middle rail independently, which is exclusive to LEVOLOR. You also have your easy-to-access controls along the bottom as well as an openness percentage indicator.